tribal areas. And while I've always been neglected, I'm very happy to state in front of in Kumulu as well as the zonal offices, be it to run commercial vehicles like autos. But the most important aspect is that you have agreed to do so without asking for collateral or documents, which has always been a problem for our indigenous people. What we need is hand-holding, and let me assure you that once given an opportunity, the indigenous person who has a lot of potential has never been given an opportunity or a platform to start a business venture or self-help groups, a venture which can sustain their livelihood. For far too long, the process of getting loan by giving documents after documents, papers after paper, has discouraged the Piprasa people from availing loans. And I'm highly appreciative that your institution has agreed to ease the process. I know that you all are working with the government of Assam very extensively in similar projects. I know that you all are working with the government of Meghalaya in similar projects. I believe you all are working very in the field of fisheries as well. And I am confident that you will be able to give our people an opportunity to start dreaming for a better life. The autonomous Mela is to sensitize our people about the available schemes which come under the MOU. And also, it will also be because for someone who's staying in Kanchanpur, someone who's staying in Korbu, someone who's staying in Sambru or Julaibari, someone who's staying in Ramchandra Ghat, someone who's staying in Undakoti or Rahima Valley, it becomes extremely difficult for them to come to Kumulu. Hence, these loan melas, where we will be giving people a chance to take facilities with 0% interest, because the interest will be borne by the EDC, will actually go a long way in improving the economic standards of the Piprasa people who have suffered for very long in the autonomous district council areas. I thank you once again and I welcome you, and I hope that today's meeting will not only be productive, but let me assure you that from time to time we will try to scale up our area of work and also scale up the amount of beneficiaries who can benefit. A point to be noted is that I know that you also have a student scheme where students or where qualified people who are into skill building can also avail similar loans. If that can be explored at a later date, it will help, because many of our students who have a lot of potential, many of our youth who have a lot of potential, do not get adequate finance to pursue their career or to pursue their studies. If a student loan where the student, which is based on skill building, where a student can start paying only after they have graduated or after they have completed their diploma on a skill building initiative, that will go a long way in also helping our next generation come up and also get adequate skill set so that they can compete with anybody, not only in Northeast but across India. By saying these words, I would like to again welcome and thank the Managing Director of the Northeastern Small Finance Bank. I would like to thank my CEMs, EMs, Deputy CEM, CEO, to the media regarding this scheme. So through the media, through their channel, through their YouTube channels, these schemes, through the media, through advertisement, is reached to every household so they can start availing these schemes to help our livelihood. Once again, thank you very much and thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak. Belai Belai no Hambai, and once again, I hope that we will be able to proceed further. Thank you.
For the information of the House,
that basic point.
Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council represented by the Chief Executive Officer and Autonomous District Council representing Tripura dominates areas of Tripura, India, having its address in Kumulum, Tripura, India, hereinafter referred to as the first party. And the Northeast Small Finance Bank Limited is the wholly owned subsidiary of RJVN Northeast Microfinance Limited, a small finance bank having its head office at first and third floor, Fortune Central, Basistapur, Bailand, Beltala, Guwahati, Assam, to be represented by Managing Director, hereinafter referred to as second party. The number one point is, whereas the loan arrangements for the enterprises under the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council are hereby tied up with second party on the following terms and conditions: selection of beneficiaries and sanction of loans. For the purpose of this move, beneficiaries will include the following segments. Number one, eligible small and medium enterprises, agricultural term loans, piggery loans, dairy, goatry, poultry loans, including local breed of chicken, cattle fishery loans, housing loans, personal loans, small commercial vehicle loans, goods and passenger carrying, small commercial vehicles for livelihood generation, skill development loans for job-oriented courses and tourism homestays. Selection of beneficiaries will be done by the first party, that is Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council Authority, and sent to the second party to complete the formalities in respect of the selected beneficiaries for sanction and release of loans to the beneficiaries based on criteria agreed to by both the parties. And today there are some terms and conditions. I am not going to read out all the terms and conditions. That Northeast Small Finance Bank will open branches in the following locations: one at Kumulum headquarters of TTADC, 2 Killa, that is Rayabari, Gumati Zone, Birchandamanu, South Zone, 4 Sikaribari, Dhalai Zone, Kulasikhar, Wai Zone, Kanchanpur, North Zone, Raskandi, Punapati Zone, Takarjala, Sipahijala Zone. And TTADC will make available suitable accommodation approximately 1000 square feet within the TTADC areas in the above zone for Northeast Small Finance Bank to set up full-fledged branches. Northeast Small Finance Bank will also do publicity and marketing campaigns like putting up hoardings and flags, banners across the TTADC zone headquarters, displaying the loans given in collaboration with TTADC. Jointly do the loan melas and financial literacy campaigns with TTADC across TTADC areas. TTADC will also open their SB account of both TTADC headquarters and zonal offices with Northeast Small Finance Bank. These are the basic and important points that I wanted to flag.
traffic jam.
Yeah, need the traffic jam.
That will be one which you told that tomorrow it will happen. But you give this.
Tomorrow we'll ensure that the traffic is.
Is there something with skill building where like
Yes,
somebody
skill
studying
building is there.
hotel management? Come below. Thank you.